Hey there, financial explorers. Today we're diving into one of life's sneaky secrets that can save or cost you big bucks front-loading life insurance versus paying as you go. I know it sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, but stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll be the person at parties who knows how to make insurance. Kind of fun. And if you're not invited to parties, this info might just save you enough to host your own. Let's jump in. First, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Life insurance is essentially a contract between you and the insurance company. You pay premiums, and they promise to pay out a lump sum to your loved ones when you're no longer around. There are two main flavors: term life insurance, which lasts for a set period, and permanent life insurance, which sticks with you for life, like glitter, but less annoying. Front-loading applies mostly to permanent policies, so keep that in mind as we dive deeper. Alright, let's talk front-loading. Imagine paying for your entire Netflix subscription upfront for 5 years instead of monthly. That's front-loading. Instead of spreading out your payments, you pump a bunch of money into your policy early on. Why do this? Well, front-loading can supercharge the cash value in your policy, giving it more time to grow. It's like planting a money tree in fertile soil versus rocky ground. Sounds great, right? But hold on, there are some trade-offs. Front-loading is fantastic if you've got the cash, but if your bank account is looking like a sad sandwich, you might want to take it slow. Let's not YOLO your savings just yet. Let's break it down. Pros 1, your cash value grows faster. Yay, compound interest. 2, potentially lower premiums in the long run. 3, more flexibility down the road. You can even borrow against the cash value. Cons. 1, it requires a big upfront investment. 2, if your financial situation changes, you could lose liquidity. 3, some policies may have limits on how much you can front-load without triggering taxes. So if you're a baller with a cash pile or want to lock in savings early, front-loading is your jam. If not, don't worry, we'll cover the alternative next. On the flip side, there's the pay-as-you-go approach. It's exactly what it sounds like. You pay premiums monthly or annually, just like most bills. Pros: 1, it's budget-friendly. It spreads costs over time. 2, it's easier to adjust if your income fluctuates. 3, no stress about overfunding or tax issues. Cons: 1, slower cash value growth. 2, potentially higher total premiums over the life of the policy. This approach works if you're just starting out or prefer financial flexibility. It's like paying for Spotify Premium 1 month at a time. You still get the benefits but don't need a chunk of cash up front. Here's the showdown. If you're young, healthy, and have some extra cash lying around, front-loading can be a strategic way to save big in the long run. On the other hand, if you're building your financial foundation, the pay-as-you-go model keeps things manageable without sacrificing the benefits of life insurance. Think of it as a sprint versus a marathon. Both get you to the finish line, but the journey looks different. So, how do you choose? Start by asking yourself these questions. 1. Do you have the upfront cash to invest? 2. Are you comfortable with less liquidity in exchange for long-term benefits? 3. What are your goals for this policy? Legacy wealth, a safety net, or something else? And don't forget, talk to a financial advisor. They're like the Google Maps of money. They'll help you avoid dead ends. There you have it, the ultimate guide to front-loading versus pay-as-you-go life insurance. Whether you're planting a money tree now or watering it over time, the key is to make a plan that works for you. Drop a comment below. Are you team front-load or team pay-as-you-go? And hey, don't be stingy with this knowledge. Share it with your friends and family. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-savvy tips with a side of humor. Until next time, keep planning, keep growing, and keep crushing those financial goals.